Oh, it's raining.
Oh yeah, it's raining pretty hard.
Oh, look, that's kind of pretty.
Look at the water down now, the little droplets in the water.
Yeah, that's what I've taken a picture of, is little droplets on the water. Oh, look at the little droplets on the seagull. It's kind of cool. I had just one because, look, that he'll stay there because he got a potato and he might get another little potato, but there's no potatoes left. He's lucky I didn't throw my breakfast leftovers away. Oh, there's the other one that took one of his potatoes. Yeah. Yeah. They're little hotel beggars. Yeah. You're pretty though, very pretty.
Is you get one by and you help Hero and the family